Tension for Edo APC as House of Assembly primaries later come hold for night. Fear grip members for the All Progressive Congress APC wait under for their different constituencies for the primary election for State House of Assembly for the 18 local government for Edo State, sake of as at 5 o'clock on Thursday, May 26, materials for the primaries wey suppose begin shele for morning for the 24 seats never landed though. Inside 6 p.m, the 7-man committee wey carry the materials come land Benin Airport, come carry waka enter the state secretariat to begin carry materials enter different constituencies to begin vote. David Imose, wey be Edo APC Chemo, come yarn to the people say in dey assure the people say the primaries go dey free, fair and credible.
I've just received members of the House of Assembly Primary Election Committee sent by the National to conduct the primary elections in Edo State. We want to assure our people that the primary elections will be free and fair and very credible, and there will be no cause for alarm. We sincerely believe that with free and fair process, Edo will be fully set to take over this state come 2024.
Voting for Edo West constituency can begin for 8 p.m, where the only aspirant, Engineer Gabriel Dusere, will emerge as the winner, can follow TMC TV to read people yarn.
Listen. We are counting now. Gabriel. 1. Gabriel. 2. Gabriel. 3. Gabriel. 4. Gabriel. 5. Gabriel. 6. Gabriel. 7. Gabriel. 8. Gabriel. 9. Gabriel. 10. Gabriel. 11. Gabriel. 12. Gabriel. 13. Gabriel. 14. Gabriel. 15. Gabriel. 16. Gabriel. 17. Gabriel. 18. Gabriel. 19. Gabriel. 20. Gabriel. 21. Gabriel. 22. Gabriel. 23. Gabriel. 24. Gabriel. 25. Gabriel. 26. Gabriel. 27. Number of delegates in this constituency 30. For the total vote cast 27. Accredited delegates 27. Total valid votes and they cast here 27. They on this ballot 3. After sorting and counting, Gabriel Iduseri scored a total vote of 27. And having scored this number of votes, he is hereby declared winner. And the candidate for Edo West House of Assembly election coming up 2023. Gabriel Iduseri, congratulations.
I thank the delegates for counting me worthy to run and to represent them in the House of Assembly. Today I'm indeed very grateful. I appreciate them for the show of love, for the show of solidarity, and I want to promise them that come 2023, when we win the general election, I will not put them to shame. I will give them quality representation. I will ensure that the dividends of democracy get down to the bottom. This is one of the most peaceful primary elections in Edo State because I'm the only one contesting, and I give thanks to my leaders, the delegates for what they have done today. I really appreciate it.
Paul Ohombamu, wey be Edo West electoral officer, come talk say the process go well until say now only one aspirant dey for the constituency.
Thank God say we don't do am. The thing is smooth. Why their own dey interesting be say nobody dey follow the candidate. Na only wetin oyinbo dey call unopposed. But wetin we can't do be say we do am make everybody see am say not be mouth Now they take the support them. That's why I say make them still write and vote the normal way. Make the whole world see and say clear. Now we do so. The national headquarters people will come. Flight problem and the rest, they're not quick reach Benin. Now around 6:30 they can't reach Benin just now. Before we can't sort out this thing, now we start.
Voting for Ego constituency beginning inside 8 o'clock, we a promise Omorogbe can emerge as winner, beat Bright on Naiwu 10 and Eric Edokbaigbe 2 with 33 votes.
It was free and fair. It's a victory for all Igbo people. The general election is sure for APC.
Today's election is a good one, so it go along to show the transparency when our party feel bring together. And I congratulate the person of promise when he win for today's election. And I equally want to appreciate and also congratulate the people when he still contest when he don't win. In every contest, one will certainly win, some will lose. Now the one when win now our picking. The ones when don't win now our picking, they be our children too. So after this one, now to committee to bring everybody together so that we will face general election.
The three aspirants that contested, they are all our sons. So it's one family. Although there was a winner, but you know, in an election it's an eternal matter. So they are all our sons. So it was free and fair. Everybody saw it. You also witnessed it too. So what I want to say here is that I want to beg the person that emerged today, person of promise, to rally around among other aspirants so that they can work together. It was a good one.
On behalf of the APC for Ego local government, we want to commend the chairman and the members of the committee led by Honorable Patrick Agwinede, where he can conduct this election. To everybody, we see that the election, it was free, it was fair, and it was credible. And we they pass here the advice. Say, may the Independent National Electoral Commission, may they use opportunity, take copy from APC, how we take the do election, make the election for the day free, make for the day fair, make for the day credible. And we want also talk, say, APC will be one big family. What you they talk, say, no victor, no vanquish. There was nobody that was defeated. We are partners in progress, and we're here to develop our society. So all of us now win together. Now democracy, now win.
Today we do primaries. And when we talk of democracy, we see them for here today. No mago. All the delegates they vote according to their conscience, and the winner emerged. We don't congratulate them. We won't tell the world say peace when we fight for God a day. And as we start, so we know say we go win the election. So we won't beg all the parties concerned that made them support APC this time, that democracy will be seen in Edo State.
From the way I see them, it is okay. The quarrel not day, fight not day. But the only thing we say, they not allow the other delegates, what they call winner ad hoc delegates, those who has the constitutional powers to actually, be with us. Those who have not come. You understand me now? And why the thing be like that is a new thing. It has not happened before. But apart from that little hitch, the primaries went well. It was peaceful. The process was okay, and I think I'm happy. It eventually ended well.
I dey happy with wetin happen today because e dey peaceful. Like wetin happen for some other places when you see say fighting and protest mar the primaries. But for here, it was all peaceful. Though it take time before the officials come, but everything I think it happened free and fair. And you can see the aspirants. I believe they accept the result how it happened because they say the process dey fair and no mago or wuru for inside. So me personally, I dey happy that the process dey successful as a party person.
Ebo Sereme Obinome, TMC TV News.